Greetings and welcome to Modern Wall Street's Trade to Talk, where today we are knighting Peter Tuchman from Quattro M Securities as Sir Dow 23,000. Peter, may I do the honors? Look at that. Wow. Well, Peter, Dow 23,000. It's holding the level.
3-1. By the time this interview is over, we'll be at 24,000.
Look at that. So,
stop the madness.
So who is the guest of honor? What stock is the guest of honor to the party?
IBM, obviously, right? IBM, look at it right there. You can see it up $13.50, up 10% after 22 misses. I don't know if they didn't miss, but something happened. Every dog has its day, right? IBM, which was the bread and butter of this country way back, right? My wife's grandfather bought this stock at like $4. Yeah, and he died a wealthy man with it. Anyway, $160. The stock's never done has not really participated in a lot of these rallies. It's missed on quarters, on guidance, on everything. Today it's kicking.
Yes, kicking you know what. And I would think that would be the stock that everyone at this metaphorical party we're talking about would gather in the corner and talk about. But instead it's General Electric and Disney. Are these stocks set for any kind of reversal?
You know what? I've never been. General Electric just doesn't go anywhere. Nothing against the company. It's just, I don't know why, whether it's a stock out of favor or what, but it's flatlined for many, many years. Whether it's this business model, what it's been doing, a lot of people own it, right? It's part of every portfolio. I don't really particularly like to talk about it. Disney's just going through whatever it goes through. But I think it's worth talking about. And also it took us 8 weeks to get from 22,000 to 23,000. Everyone's going, wow, is it a significant number? What is it? Well, it's 1,000 points more than it was the last time we talked about it. And that's a big deal. That's a valuation change, right? And there's no question about it. And it was basically, we can add 1,000 points into the Dow by, I think, 5 stocks, right? Home Depot, Cat Tractor, Triple M, literally 5 or 6 stocks that are big high flyers that basically percentage-wise have added into the Dow.
Is it because of earnings season or other things that are driving this, like this bipartisan deal that they're trying to reach in Washington now?
You know what? Look, is the tax reform bill going to go through? I don't know. All I can say when people ask me about what's happening in Washington, I said, I don't know. I don't think anybody knows. I think there's a hope that that's going to happen. But I really don't think, I think this rally is about just where else are you going to put your money? People have been, there's so many different levels of people. People have sat on the sidelines who are now getting in or playing catch up. The fourth quarter is always traditionally a stronger period of time. But, there are people sitting around with shopping lists of where to put their money in stocks to buy. And these stocks, those 5 stocks, right, where we talk about Home Depot and Cat and Triple M, and those stocks are on fire. And Apple in the tech sector up 25-30% year over year, right? So that's where people are putting their money.
Right, and the reason I asked about Washington is because United Health has been a big driver as well. Yes, up 10. Yeah.
It was out of favor the day before. That's one of those headline-driven stocks with healthcare on the table with Mr. Trump. Yes. So, but it seemed like there was some kind of a huge relief rally or a short cover in the up 10 yesterday, right? We don't know what's going to happen with healthcare either. We know is we're at 23,100. Market's on fire.
And he got to sport his hat.
Hang out with the VODs, guys, and I got to sport the hat.
All right. Well, thank you so much, Peter. Have an awesome weekend, and until 24,000.
See you soon.